around you. You will see mundane people everywhere. They are not hard to find. But every now and then, you come across a man who is intriguing, and you can't quite pinpoint why. He draws others in with his captivating presence, even if he doesn't say much. That enchanting aura is called charisma. It's the ability to influence others without relying on logic, and it's incredibly powerful. Many millionaires and cryptocurrency enthusiasts desperately want to be charismatic. They try to overcompensate with their wealth and material possessions, flaunting supercars and luxury watches. The truth is, no amount of money can buy charisma because it is an intangible force that must be mastered. Even if you possess this enigmatic quality now, you can still lose it if you don't pay attention. Unlocking charisma is the key to transforming a man's social landscape, turning him into a social dynamo. Charismatic individuals effortlessly navigate social interactions, leaving a lasting impression on everyone they meet. It's like having a superpower that enhances communication, builds stronger connections, and opens doors to opportunities. Imagine a man who exudes charisma, becoming a magnetic force in any room. People are naturally drawn to his energy, eager to engage in conversations and be part of his world. Socially, it's like turning up the volume on life. Every interaction becomes richer, more meaningful. The connections forged are 10 times stronger. Charisma isn't just a trait, it's a game changer, propelling men to new heights in their personal and professional lives. If you're ready to amplify your social prowess, unlocking charisma is the gateway to becoming socially 10 times better. Today, we explore the 5 key ways to unlock your charisma and leave a lasting impression. Number 1, stay present. If you're constantly scrolling through social media or overstimulating yourself, your charisma will be as insignificant as that of a small insect. To unlock charisma, one must be present in the moment. There is no shortcut or trick to bypass this rule. Men who are truly charismatic live in the present moment. They are not trapped in their own minds, overthinking the future or dwelling on the past. They are fully engaged in the present because of their authenticity. Authenticity forms the foundation of charisma, creating the cornerstone of genuine connections. When you embrace your true self, you radiate a magnetic energy that captivates others. People can sense authenticity, and in a world often filled with facades, being unapologetically true to yourself stands out. Share your quirks, embrace your uniqueness, and let your individuality shine. Authenticity creates a sense of trust, making others feel comfortable and drawn to your realness, as it applies in the present. Number 2, power. Your presence is closely tied to your sense of power. This is why you can often feel the energy of a fighter when they enter a room. If you aren't overly distracted, you should be able to sense if a person is dangerous. But power goes beyond physical presence. It encompasses the words you speak and how you use emotions to your advantage. While power is a broad topic on its own, now in connection with power, you must master the art of active listening too. Charismatic individuals distinguish themselves not only through eloquent speech, but also by mastering the art of active listening. It goes beyond hearing words. It's about genuine engagement and sincere interest in others. By actively listening, you create a space where people feel valued and understood. Charisma blossoms in the reciprocity of ideas and emotions, where conversations become dynamic exchanges. When you focus on the speaker, ask thoughtful questions, and respond empathetically, you elevate the interaction. The ability to make others feel heard and acknowledged is a powerful component of charisma, fostering connections that go beyond surface-level conversations. Number 3, confident body language and voice. Your nonverbal cues can communicate volumes, often more effectively than words. Start by maintaining strong eye contact, a powerful signal of confidence and attentiveness. Stand tall with good posture to portray self-assuredness and presence. Purposeful gestures can further emphasize your points and add dynamism to your communication. Confidence in your body language not only enhances your personal charisma, but also shapes how others perceive you. It's a silent language that speaks loudly, creating an immediate and positive impression. By consciously refining your body language, you harness a potent tool to amplify your charismatic presence in any social or professional setting. And as you speak, your tone of voice is twice as important as the words you speak. A voice that conveys authority and charisma is naturally as low as possible, but it shouldn't be forced. Some might say your voice is purely genetic and unchangeable, but that's not true. While genetics play a role, many haven't reached their voice's full potential. Consider this. Many men have low testosterone levels, and we know that higher testosterone levels deepen the voice by thickening the vocal cords, which in turn produces a deeper pitch. Raising your testosterone can improve your voice, but this isn't just about testosterone. Number 4, cultivate a positive mindset. Charismatic individuals are like magnets for positivity, drawing people in with their optimistic energy. Cultivating a positive mindset involves not only maintaining optimistic thoughts, but also expressing that positivity in your interactions. Embrace an optimistic outlook on life. Seek the silver lining in challenges and let your positive energy become infectious. When you radiate positivity, others are naturally drawn to your charismatic aura. It's a powerful way to create a welcoming and uplifting atmosphere, enhancing your social interactions and leaving a lasting impact on those around you, which will developing exceptional charisma with warmth. Warmth makes you approachable and draws people in. Some might argue it's the most crucial element, but to truly radiate charisma, warmth must be combined with a powerful presence. Displaying warmth without power can make you seem like a pushover. Conveying warmth is simple. It's about making others feel comfortable, whether through a smile or showing empathy. This makes you approachable and likable. People who aren't approachable aren't charismatic. However, there are two types of people: those who convey warmth but lack power, like nurses or your average nice guy, and dangerous individuals who lack warmth, often coming across as cold. Neither is truly charismatic. You need to blend warmth with a powerful presence to master charisma. Number 5, engage in continuous learning. Charisma is not just about how you present yourself, it's also about what you bring to the table intellectually. Engaging in continuous learning keeps you curious, expands your knowledge base, and makes you well-informed. This constant pursuit of knowledge adds depth to your personality, providing you with a rich array of topics for engaging conversations. Whether it's staying updated on current events, delving into various fields of interest, or acquiring new skills, the process of continuous learning enhances your charismatic appeal. People are naturally drawn to those who are knowledgeable, curious, and always seeking to grow, making continuous learning a key element in unlocking and sustaining charisma. If you found these insights valuable and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips on unlocking your true potential.